Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about the human reproductive system. We'll start with the male reproductive system. So the male reproductive system, these are the different organ in the male reproductive system. Here you have the prostate, you have the seminal vesicle, you have the Cooper's gland here, the Cooper's gland. Here you have the testis. You have the bag that is around the testis, which is called the scrotum. You have the penis, and you have the vas deferens, and we know that in the male, the urinary system and the reproductive system are kind of intertwined with each other. That's why you're seeing here the bladder. You're seeing also the urethra, etc., etc. So we're going to see the organ in the female reproductive system. In the female, the reproductive system or the organs or the fallopian tube here. You can see them here. These are the fallopian tube. Here you have the ovary, and the other one. You have the uterus, and you have the cervix here, the cervix. You have the vagina, and that's it for the female reproductive system. Now let's see what is the process of fertilization into the human kind. So in the fertilization for a pregnant woman to become pregnant, it has to have the stage of ovulation, which happened the 14th day, or the menstrual cycle. And during the ovulation is when the egg, the female releases an egg, and then which and they're going to, you see here the spermatozoid of the male that is going um to they're going to link to it with each other. So here you can see that the spermatozoid is entering the ovule, and we have the cell which is going to be make one. So they're going to like basically solve into each other to make a one cell. And then when that happens, you have the zygote, which is the first stage of the baby. And then you have the division that happened. First, you have the cell divided into two, and then in four, eight cell, and you have a morula, which is a cell, and you have a blastocyte. Well, you can see that the cell are starting to form, and you have the implantation, which is when here the implantation. You can see it here in the uterus. That is when the zygote is implanting into the uterine wall, and that's when the woman became pregnant. So during this cycle, we have different hormones that take place to protect the baby till the formation of the placenta that is going to be the ultimate baby protector. That's it for the reproductive system of the humans. Thank you for watching.